These chocolate walnut crackles are so very quick and easy to put together. There's no baking involved. We're going to start by getting our walnuts, a bar of chocolate, protein chocolate, very low carb, and these pappadums. Now just check the back of the packet and make sure they are the low carb ones. So I'm going to use 1.5 cups in this recipe. We're going to just break up our chocolate bar, and then we're going to add our lemon olive oil. Next we're going to microwave it at 20-second increments until it's melted. Mine took 4 times. I'm just going to break those walnuts up into little pieces like this. And now we're going to get our chocolate out of the microwave. And once you take this out of the microwave, put the copha into the microwave so we can melt that down. We're going to get our chocolate, we're going to put the nuts into the chocolate, and we're going to put those pappadums in there too. Now this has the same texture of like Rice Krispies or something, so it just gives you that same texture. It doesn't taste like anything, it's more for texture than anything else. And as you stir them, just break them down a little bit, make sure they're completely covered with that chocolate. Really good stir around, and then we're going to add the copha. So we're just going to pour that over the top like this and then stir it through. Now this just takes a little bit of that chocolate away from the other ingredients, and then when we put them into the molds you get like a little cup on the bottom. So now we're going to get our molds, and we're just going to divide the mixture evenly between 5 of those molds. And you want to pour a little bit of the liquid into there as well, so that you do get that little chocolate cup at the bottom when they come out. So now we're going to refrigerate these for about 2 hours. And when you take them out of the fridge, you'll see what I mean by that little cup on the bottom. And take them all out, and you get that little chocolate cup. Looks like a little nest on the top of a cup. These are absolutely delicious. There's only 3 grams of carbs in each of these, so they're perfect if you're on a low carb diet, as I am at the moment. Of course, you don't need to be on a low carb diet to eat them. They taste absolutely delicious.